Okay, so what's up guys, Rock here, and I went to a little Christmas party today, and I got this. So, we're gonna have videos with the Xbox One, and yeah, right now I'm just gonna maybe do like a little unboxing video for you, see what's inside right now. Okay, how do you open this? Okay, pull those off. Okay. Okay, got the Assassin's Creed Unity pack. So, gonna sit right here. Let's open that part, and boom, here it is right now. Everything inside. Boom, I think that's the console. No, my bad. This is the console. That must be the controllers and all the wires and everything that's inside. So, boom. Wait. Right, boom. The console looks oh so nice right now. Anything else in the box? Nope, nothing in there. So, let's open up this little box first. Boom. Yeah. So, right here, there's the little Assassin's Creed Unity Season Pass available now. Yeah, this says how it's available on the Xbox Live Store. Xbox One quick setup guide. It's all nice. Oh, here's the new controller, guys. There's the controller. This feels a lot different from the 360 controller. If you guys haven't noticed, well, of course you haven't noticed, but like right now, my 360 just aren't there. Advanced Warfare in there. But yeah, so, controller. Get a headset, comes with it, nice. The box, Xbox One, the wires that plugs into it. I have some HDMI wires, and expect a video, guys, soon on Assassin's Creed Unity. Okay? Gonna be streaming